Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a pretty uncommon Hot Wheels car. We have from the Pearl and Chrome series from 2020, 52nd anniversary Gazella GT, and this is actually the chase of the set. And I'm opening this one up because I have two of them. I picked two of them up at regular price, $2 a piece at that hobby shop that I go to. But anyways, these are not too desirable, so I don't think they're even worth too much more. And this is from 2020. And here's the other cars that you can get. As you can see, this one isn't even listed because it is the chase, and these two are really desirable. They're probably worth more than the chase is, but this is 2020 Gazella GT, the chase of the 52nd anniversary Pearl and Chrome series. Let's get this open. Ah, yes. Beautiful open there. Very clean. Came out very nicely. Alright. This has Ryu Asada 6-spoke wheels. And they're white wheels. You can see that has a nice reflection there. It's kind of like an orange chrome. And metal on the bottom. Made in Malaysia. M40 is the base code, so manufactured late 2019. All that is plastic on the top. Love how clear it is on top, and it's got a nice interior. Very clear and easy to see. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain, guys. Maybe I should have checked the weather before I did this. Anyways, yep. Very cool. There is the side, number 52 on the side. Here's the front there. Does this have a moving piece? Nope, does not move. See, it's riveted in, but just a very nice chase car. It's not too common. Pretty uncommon, actually. And this is going to be a great addition to my collection. Metal bottom, plastic top. Very nice looking. It's starting to downpour, but that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.